Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So basically, in our previous video, we have learned about the lists, whereas this is the ordered list and this is the unordered list. Ordered lists are always listed in a specific order, whereas unordered are without a particular order. We have seen this in a previous video. Let me show this. The ordered lists are always in a particular sequence, whereas these are in a bulleted points. And also we saw the structure of a description list. So in this video we are going to learn about the forms. Before that, let me create a file in the name of index6.html. Here I'll create a boilerplate just by clicking on shift and 1. This is our boilerplate. Here I'll change the title into html forms. Okay, here I'll also give one heading called as html forms. Okay, to create a form we have to just give a form tag. Okay, this is the opening tag and this is the closing tag. Inside this we are supposed to give a action, so that suppose we use a backend to save the data. We need to save any data, we need a backend. Here I'll give a backend called backend.php. This is very useful because what all the user has submitted, it will be saved in this backend. We don't have to worry much about that. We'll create a form. I'll just give input. Then we have to mention the type, which type of input we are using. Here we have so many types like button, checkbox, date and time, email, image, month. Here we are giving the type as text. We are using the text. Close this. I'll simply add the name. Let me show you. Okay, this is how it looks like. If we don't mention any name, then this is of no use. So we have to give a specific name for that. Then I'll give a role. Same here, we'll give input and type. We'll give text. Let me show you. This is how it looks like. Both are in the same line. By using break tag, we can just change that. Okay, this is how it looks like if we use this break tag, but we are not supposed to use this tag. It doesn't look good. Instead of that, we'll create a div. Inside this div, I'll place this. Same way, I'll create. Okay, wait for a second. I'll create one more div. Inside that, I'll place this. Okay. Now you can see this. Let me make this clear. Okay. This input tag is a inline tag. Instead of BR, we can simply create a div. Inside that we can place this. This div is a block element. Like this we can create email. Wait, I'll just create and show you. Email, then I'll give input type. Inside that I'll give email. Then name as my email. Okay, I'll close this. You can see it here. Like this we can create a submit button also. For that, simply give input and in type I'll give submit. Here we have given text, but in submit we are giving the name as submit and value I'll give as submit now. I'll just close this tag. Okay, this is visible here. You can click on submit, but this is not available. We will learn about that later. If we mention the value, like I'll give the value as email, it will be simply visible here. You can see that. This value part is visible here. This is how these forms are created. There are so many types, like we can create a date just by clicking input type. We have to always mention the type. Then I'll give a name called date and we'll close this tag. You can see it here. Today is 30th August 24. You can simply see this just by giving the type. This is not looking beautiful. If we add some CSS, we can make it look more beautiful. And this I said about the backend. The backend is a server side of the website. Okay, it manages the data and ensures everything on front end works efficiently, properly. And here users don't see or interact directly with the backend because it is the behind the scene functionality. You can't see that. So in this video we learned about this, how to create forms. You can simply go and check the types. There are so many types. Here I am ending the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.